Thanks for tuning in, and today I want to do an unboxing video. This is from a company called Crom. I've actually never heard them before, but they reached out to me, and as you can tell, this is going to be a micro ratchet set, and I love micro ratchets, and I'm really excited about this after seeing some pictures of it online. So before I talk about it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help support my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Now I'm going to open the package. I still have it in the plastic. So what I'm going to use to open it is my little Key Unity knife. In my last video, I talked about how I'm going minimalistic for the entire week. And this is my main blade that I'm using. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the packaging open for you right now. All right, so now that I've unboxed it, this is what the ratchet looks like. It actually comes in two pieces. You got the ratchet and also the extension right here. And I've used extensions like this before. It has some unique features to it, which I'll go over in just a second. But just to give you a measurement, because it is super small. It's hard to explain how small this is. It's about the length of my finger. And I have my measuring tape here. So I take that out. You can see it's right at 2 inches for the ratchet. And then for the extension, you have, let's see what that is, 2.6 inches about right there. And it's really light as well. So let's bring in my scale and see what it weighs. So for the ratchet, we have 19.8 grams or 0.7 ounces. So less than an ounce. And for the extension, it's actually the same weight. So let's just double check it in grams, 19.9 grams. So basically the same weight for both pieces. So that's really interesting. All right, so I'm not going to be going over how this works. I think most people understand. What you do is that you just take a little bit here. Let's just use this one. I'm going to take a bit out of this is my Steelman bit holder / driver. And let's just put it in. Well, you can use it in a variety of different ways. So you can put it in here, and there's a little magnet on the end right here. It's very strong, actually. So it's got a magnet on here as well as on the extension. So you can use it either way. And then obviously you can take it out and then put it inside the ratcheting part here. So and then just use it that way. The nice thing about this is it's got a little button here or a lever that you can push to reverse the action. And then if you didn't want to use the handle, you can actually, if you're just screwing in something small very quickly, you can actually use just the thumb wheel and that turns it as well. So that's a really nice feature. So let me just take that out and just go. Actually, wow, that's really hard to get out. So, that's really in there, which is good because if you're working in a tight space, you don't want the bit falling out into a crevice where you may not be able to retrieve it. So that's actually really good, but it's also bad if you don't have a lot of finger strength or if you have arthritis or something like that. So I guess what you could do is just take another bit and then just kind of push it through from the other side. That's something to note. Good to know that it's really in there when you push it in. So let me just try that again and just see. Yeah, even going in, it's very tight. And then, man, that's really in there. Yeah, so I can pull it out if I just use a little bit more force. But again, if you lack finger strength or something like that, that's going to be a challenge for you. So just to keep in mind. All right, so I talked about this extension. Obviously, you can put it like this so you can have more reach. Well, the nice thing about this is it's similar to, or actually the exact same. Obviously, this is shorter, but I have this icon ratchet set. And on here, you're going to see that this one has these little, hopefully you can see that, these little markings right here. And it's the same as on this one. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. It's right there. And you can see at the bottom, it's got right where those markings are, there's a little notch. And so what that allows you to do, actually, is if you line those markings up with this little white dot here, and then push it all the way through, now you can use this as a T-handle. So that's really cool. If you need a little more torque or a little bit more grip, you can definitely use it this way. So that's a really nice feature. And I haven't tested this actually screwing things in or anything like that because this is just an unboxing / first impressions, but this is a great size and a great weight for EDC. Obviously, because it comes in 2 pieces, I'm not really sure how I'm going to carry both pieces. If you had a small pouch, that would be ideal, I suppose. This is small enough if you have something like, I was kind of thinking about it before I made the video, and I did have this steel wire laying around so you could just pass it through. Let's put this on here. And then it kind of comes together at the top like this. Just screw the 2 ends together. Oopsies. Okay, I'm not very good at this, but anyway, you get the idea, hopefully. But let me just try one more time. There we go. And now you could clip this to your keychain or your belt loop or even a backpack or something like that, sling bag. So you could just carry it like that. And I think that's just a great little EDC driver / ratchet. Now, again, if you wanted to carry this, you just have to carry it separately, I guess. There's really no way to attach it via a keychain or a key ring or something like that. You could just put it in your pocket, I suppose, and just have it there if you need it. Or just kind of store it away in your car and just have it with you there. So I'll have to kind of think about what to do with this. But I really like this little setup here. And it comes at a good time because in my last video, I talked about how I'm going minimalistic for the entire week. I'm just carrying a small knife, a little multi-tool, and a small little flashlight. I'll link the video up at the top. And at the end of the video, I talked about how I didn't include a driver of any kind. So this will be just a good complement to all those other items that I just mentioned. So let me know what you think. I'll link this down below. And it's a great price, great value. It comes in at $19.99. A lot of other ratchets out there that are basically identical to this. I've seen them. They only come with the ratchet and not the extension. Now, the only other thing that I would say is it doesn't have a flexing head. So my icon, I'll bring that back in, is that this one has, you can see, a flexing head, which is really nice. But because it has the flexing head, it's going to be a lot larger. So that's why I think they didn't include that. And I really am glad that they didn't include that and just went as small as possible. So I really like the size and just a great addition to my EDC. So again, let me know your comments and thoughts below. Would you carry something like this? Do you think this is useful? Is it too small? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And on to the next video. God bless.